आगोलमेनव संगमम निजराजयोग वृक्षम न्यू मिलेनियम highest frequencies GlobeMenons in the leading styles and in organizing MESSOULS, business, spirituality and prosperity together. Everything is vibrant with beauty, spiritual culture and God consciousness. Then there is more meaning for organizing me units space while grounding to feel the organizing nature of GlobeMenons too. Everything seems to be in an organized manner. And school is organized, college is organized, office is organized. So organizing is quite interesting when spirituality becomes the subject, the feelings of harmony in tune with certain principles of dignity, and various yogic patterns of perceiving Nijraja yogic life under Nijraja yogic tree. If that is understandable, many can earn huge wealth through organizing me brand. The straightness, straights right, straights left and straight, straightness.